welcome. What we're going to be doing today, we are going to hydrate the skin. We're going to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, but best of all, we're going to get rid of pigmentation on the skin. I am going to share a very simple recipe that you can whip up in your kitchen, use it on your skin to hydrate, to lock that moisture in the skin, and also to get rid of hyperpigmentation. So let's get in the kitchen. Let me show you how to whip it up, and I'm also going to show you how to use it on your skin for best result.
For this recipe, you're going to need a blender, preferably a small blender. Our first ingredient is aloe vera gel, and today I'm using 100% pure aloe vera gel, which also contains a bit of a vitamin C. Aloe vera gel will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, but what I like most about the aloe vera gel is that it will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. When you apply it to your skin in a circular motion, it will also help to tighten and firm the skin and clear the skin of pigmentation. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. For this recipe, you can also choose to use 1 tablespoon of the fresh aloe vera gel. And now we are going to move on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is honey, and honey has been used for centuries on the skin. It contains moisturizing properties that will help to hydrate the skin, soften the skin. It also contains antibacterial properties, which makes it good for acne-prone skin. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the honey, and I'm pouring this in the blender along with the aloe vera gel. If you do not want to use honey, you can use some vegetable glycerine to replace the honey. My next ingredient is petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline. Now, if you do not want to use the petroleum jelly, you can use some coconut oil. I personally use petroleum jelly on my skin as a child growing up, so now I don't have an issue to use it on the skin. The way the petroleum jelly works on the skin is that it helps to lock the moisture in the skin. When the moisture is locked in the skin, it will keep your skin hydrated, and it also will help your skin to look fresher. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the petroleum jelly. We're going to place this in the blender. Make sure to get everything out. If you are using coconut oil, go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. And now guys, take a look. Here we have aloe vera gel, and we also have petroleum jelly. Now let's move on to our next ingredient, which is rosehip oil. We're using the rosehip oil for its vitamin A property. Vitamin A is a form of a retinol, and retinol is great for mature skin. It will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, but most of all, it will help to boost the collagen production in the skin, reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, soften the skin, hydrates the skin, and leave the skin with a younger, fresher, natural glow. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of the rosehip oil, and I'm also adding this to the blender along with the petroleum jelly and the aloe vera gel. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some turmeric powder, and we're using turmeric for its skin brightening properties. If your skin is looking a bit dull, if you're looking to brighten and lighten the skin, the turmeric powder will do an amazing job. However, for this recipe, if you do not want to use the turmeric powder, you can choose to leave it out. You can also choose to use some sandalwood powder if you're looking for reducing wrinkles and not brightening the skin. So I'm going to use a pinch of the turmeric powder. A little goes a long way. And you can also use a fresh turmeric juice in this recipe, a teaspoon of the fresh turmeric juice. And now guys, here in our blender, we have petroleum jelly, we have aloe vera gel, we have rosehip oil, and now turmeric powder. For this recipe, you can choose to add 1 teaspoon of hot water for easier melting of the petroleum jelly. And now we are going to cover this, and we are going to blend to a cream. Another tip also is that you can choose to melt the petroleum jelly before blending it with the rest of the ingredients. So after blending, take a look at what we have here. Here we have our anti-wrinkle facial cream. Now to use this facial cream, you want to start with clean skin. And what I like to do, I like to apply just a little dash to the skin. And then I massage this on the skin. You're going to massage your skin for at least 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that this absorbs in the skin. Now once this is done, that is it, guys. This is perfect for nighttime use, and this can be used over your facial toner. So go ahead and use it up, guys. Massage it on the skin, and before you know it, your skin will be free from wrinkles and fine lines, but most of all, clean, clear, bright, with a very soft, supple, hydrated look. Now for storing, store this on your countertop, and this can be stored on the countertop for up to 6 months. However, if you use fresh aloe vera gel and fresh turmeric juice, then store this for no more than 7 to 10 days in your refrigerator.